This is how you grow a community, folks, by helping channels grow. But please, don't go out there blindly, folks, and don't go out there riding dirty. Know your rights. Always record the police. If you have videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Check out this video from VW Cop Watcher. Let them know I sent you. Links will be in the description. Here we go, folks.
Hello, Sergeant Boatwright with the Elkins Police Department. You have provided me with your license, your registration, and I'm guessing this is your proof of insurance?
Why'd you pull me over? My phone in my hand?
Huh?
Why'd you pull me over? My phone in my hand?
Because of how fast you were driving.
Oh. When'd you pass me? Because I was going 35 when you passed me. And you drove 10 times faster to me to catch up to me.
You were going much faster than
I was going 35. I got a speedometer and a GPS, man. Okay. But it's however. Just do what you got to do. I need to get to work.
So back here by Bridgewater, all right, the speed limit goes to 25.
Oh, I didn't see that there. But you was going like 45 to catch up to me in there. So
I was probably going faster than that.
You didn't have your lights on, so I'm glad you admitted that.
I don't have to have my lights on.
Yeah, emergency lights and speed. Yes, you do. You got to have emergency lights on the speed, brother. No, I'm good.
Yeah, step out of the vehicle.
You don't have consent to search yet.
I don't need consent to search.
Yeah.
And this right here, folks, is the perfect example of why you should not be speaking to police. This guy just told a cop he was going 35 in a 25. That made the cop feel really good and confident to give him a ticket. Folks, absolutely do not be speaking to police. Do not agree with them either, because they will use that as admission. First thing you should do is ask for their name and badge number and ask why you got pulled over. But make sure you're already recording by the time they walk up to the vehicle. Keep watching the video, folks. Like I said, do not answer questions. Do not speak to them if you don't have to.
Are you about done yet? I got places to be, man. Cost me money.
Yeah, I'm the one that's going to work right
Yeah.
now.
Well, routine stop usually only takes like 20 minutes. I think you're allotted 20 minutes for it.
You hacked it. I've had to keep an eye on you while I'm doing things.
I'm right on your hood and you got backup. Excuses.
It takes me a little bit longer. I apologize.
Yep, intentionally. Retaliation. Fucking ego. Ego. Ego.
I'm going to advise you to refrain. Continue, okay?
I'm just in a hurry, man. Need to get my shit done. I ain't worked in 2 or 3 fucking months. Finally got a job and now this.
All right, Mr. Let's go ahead and have a seat back in your
It was
vehicle.
Leach.
Oh, Leach, I apologize.
No problem. Actually, can I find my keys first? Because whenever you flung me against the truck, I don't know what to do with my
Flung you
keys.
against the truck.
Well, maybe get up against
Oh.
it. Alright, fuck it, I'll walk. Well, I'll push it. Whenever you guys leave, I'll look.
All right. Here's your license back.
Thank you. My shady ass insurance card. I printed it off and it didn't print worth a fuck.
There's your insurance card
Thank you.
and your registration.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Explain your citation to you.
Okay.
Up here's all your information, okay? Down here's my information. I'm citing you today for speeding, which was 36 and a 25.
And you got proof of that?
That's what the radar read.
Cool. You'll have a printout then.
Radar doesn't print anything.
Okay, well, I'll see you in court.
Okay. Also cited you for prohibited use of a cell phone because of your multiple admissions that you were on
That's
your
fine.
cell phone while you were driving the vehicle. All
Well, I
right?
wasn't on it. I had it in my headrest, but that's cool.
You were handling your phone
That's-
as you were driving. All right.
I
I'll
can
give
accept
you
responsibility.
Okay. I'll give you till the 3rd of November at 3 p.m. to come in Elkins City Hall and take care of your citation.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
Am I free to go?
You are.
Thank you, sir.
You have a wonderful day.
You too. 13, 6, 7. Thanks, sir.
I did cut a lot of the video out because the traffic stop did last for about 20 minutes. The sergeant, assistant manager, we don't like to call them sergeants, folks. That's a military term. The police should not be calling themselves sergeants and lieutenants and stuff like that. We're not at war with the people here, folks. But like I said, the traffic stop lasted a long time. I truly believe that the reason that was is just to bully the man because the guy told him he was in a hurry. Folks, is this what we pay police officers for, to harass people? I recently seen a video, it happened in California, and the police stopped at a school where there was teenagers. No! No! And the police play the Edgar song over the speaker. Have you guys heard that one? Yeah, what a funny joke, huh? This is what we're paying police for. When they're not out harassing, they're bullying the people. I believe those cops right there should be fired on the spot so that it could be a lesson for other police officers who want to goof around, use our vehicles that we pay for, use our equipment to make fun and ridicule the people out there. You guys, it's time you hold police accountable. You don't have to be a cop hater. You just have to know the difference between right and wrong. You don't have to go out there and swear at police officers for views. Just hold a camera to them. If they're good police, they may wave, say hello, but the bad cops will show themselves. That's exactly what you want to highlight, folks. If you do get bad cops on video, send your videos to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Let us know if you want to stay anonymous. Let us know if you want us to highlight your channels. Please leave us as much detailed information as possible, along with timestamps with important moments in the videos. That helps us edit them and get them out faster. All right, folks, go subscribe to this channel. Let them know I sent you. I'll see you over there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.